Hello, good evening everyone. I am taking my usual or almost usual evening walk and I thought I'd share something. I have compiled a list of ideas that I have heard from a whole lot of smart people and from many books, and this is kind of a list of principles for life that I have collected and I try to look at quite often, like once every day or two. And one of my principles that I have learned from a guy called Grant Cardone, which is a very known sales teacher, he's talking about massive action as a principle. Now, he says that in life we have four different types of actions. We have no action, which is an action in itself. When we choose not to do something, we actually have a certain reality that happens instead of other realities. So no action is, well, not exactly an action, but it is a choice. We have the right action, which is great if we can choose to do the right action that is obviously beneficial. We have the wrong action, which is taking the wrong action, and it is actually not that bad. Like once we take the wrong action, we usually get information from making a mistake, and that helps us to do a better choice in the future, and that future can be quite close. And we have massive action. And the idea about massive action is to not waste too much time thinking and debating whether our choice is the right choice or it is the wrong choice. But massive action is just doing actions until we get the required result. And he says that once we act in the way of massive action, we will always end up getting to the right result, because we do a mistake and we correct it, and we do a mistake and we correct it. And this is a principle that I try to implement into my life as often as possible. I do try to avoid mistakes, obviously, but it's better to mistake and correct course than not try at all.